Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video,
I'm going to talk about Jesus.
I'm going to discuss my experience with attempting to ship off my hair care products to a customer. At this time, I was not offering shipping on my website, and she was visiting here from out of town. And come to find out, she couldn't take the items on the plane with her because they were too big. I guess with the policy, it has to be 4 ounces or less, and she couldn't check them or something like that. I'm not familiar with the guidelines because I'm not a person who travels or flies often. But she did say that she couldn't take them with her, so she asked me to ship them. So here you'll just see me preparing her items and using this priority box that I got from the post office for free. I had done a lot of research on YouTube. Well, obviously not enough research, but I had did some research on YouTube just watching multiple videos of small business owners, and a lot of them recommended that you go to the post office to get these free priority boxes. So I went to the post office and got some of these boxes. The box that I'm using right now is actually a little too big. This is all they had to offer at the time. But yeah, like I said, I was not offering any shipping on my website at the time. So I'm not familiar with the shipping process. This is my first time attempting to do this. So you'll just see me here with my little priority box trying to wrap up her items and go ahead and get them shipped out to her. The material that I'm using is the Honeycomb packaging paper. I'm attempting to avoid using bubble wrap. The honeycomb wrapping paper is more biodegradable, it's recyclable, and I'm just trying to stick with biodegradable items when it comes to shipping things out, so I'm more earth or climate friendly. You can get this from Amazon. All you have to do is pull it apart to activate the cushioning, and it works really well. You can also use this as a filler. If your items are not fitting, properly inside the box or the bumper mailer, you can use this as a filler to make it more sturdy. This right here is the free boxes that you have, the options and the pricing. The box that I was going to be using to ship her items would have been about $19 to ship. These are all flat rates.
Good afternoon. Appreciate your patience.
Please read the civil penalty statement.
I'm sorry?
Read and answer the civil penalty statement.
Oh, okay.
It does have, it's hair products, so there's liquid
What kind of liquid?
hair products.
What kind of liquid? There's a lot of care products.
Aloe vera and distilled water, and also oil.
And
Oil,
Yes, ma'am. We
what
don't.
kind
like
of oil?
jojoba oil, olive oil.
It cannot be go anything oil, flammable. It cannot go by
Put this one
airplane.
there for you.
So what do I do? Y'all, so at this point, I'm totally over it. First of all, I had already waited in line for a long time, and we in Vegas, so it's hot. And then I get up there and I had filled out a form that didn't need to be filled out. What I filled out was a form to have the item shipped overnight. So the first representative that helped me, she's like, "Are you overnighting this?" And I'm like, "No." So she was like, "Oh, you don't need that. Just go fill out this on top of the box, the address and stuff. And you don't have to wait in line again. You just come up to my window. I'll help you." So in the meantime of me trying to write the address and stuff over, she leaves, and then this representative who have an attitude, he got a whole attitude, came back and he helped me. So he, as you heard, told me that I could not use the priority box or anything that says priority with items that are considered flammable, like the hair oil. So thank God they had other options. I never saw these boxes before, but they do have brown boxes. And I was able to use this brown envelope. And I'm not tripping actually, because it did save me money. Had I used the priority box, I would have had to pay about $19. And with me using this envelope, I only had to pay like $15 to send it. Now you can get these envelopes from the post office as well, but you have to pay for these brown boxes in the envelope before you take them. You can't just take them like you do the priority box. And they're like $1 and something. But yeah, the representative, he gave me the information basically saying that I cannot ship what's considered a flammable item priority because it's shipped by air. And I didn't know that. And he was kind of rude.
Now, it comes with free tracking, $100 free insurance. Did you need more insurance?
No, I
Did you
don't.
need them to sign for it?
No.
Very good, thank you.
So I'm going to go ahead and order my own packaging from Amazon. Now that I have the experience, I feel like it's going to be way more cost effective if I use my own boxes or bubble mailer. If your customer wants to, well, if you have a business where you're not shipping items that are considered flammable, of course you can go ahead and use those boxes from the post office. And if your customer is choosing to have their items shipped as priority, they can pay that shipping cost. Other than that, I just feel like it's way more cost effective if you get your own packaging and your own bubble mailer. It might be more affordable also. And I like to order from Amazon because if you get the wrong item or it's not what you thought it was, you can just return it. The return process with Amazon is so cool. It's not much of a hassle as opposed to like if you order packaging from like Uline or Container and Packaging, anything like that, because if you have to return to them, you would have to pay a shipping cost. And with Amazon, you don't. And they have so many different options that you can choose from for your boxes and bubble mailers and all of your shipping and packaging needs. So I'm gonna go ahead and order me some bubble mailers from Amazon. And yeah. So these are the bubble mailers that I got from Amazon. I picked these because they are waterproof. I got 2 different sizes. I got a smaller size for my 4-ounce oils, and I got a bigger size for multiple items are being ordered. I'm sure I can also fit apparel in these bigger size bubble mailers because I do plan on offering that. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I really hope that you learn. I hope that you learned something new with me. If you have any suggestions or any advice, please comment down below. And again, thank you and good luck to you all if you are starting your own small business. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. It could be a little intimidating at first, but just take your time and it'll all come together, especially if you're serious and passionate about it. And like I said previously, it's a learn as you go process. It's trial and error. Just take your time and continue to be passionate about it, and I'm sure that you will be successful. Again, thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.